Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. Our client assigned a new task. This is the assignment of financial accounting. The title of assignment is Shelly Cashman Excel 2019, Module 11, SAM Project 1A. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen with full instructions to understand the problem. This assignment is divided into multiple steps. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Step 1. Open the file and save it with a new name. Step 2. Ensure your name is in cell B6 and display the Developer tab. Step 3. Customize the prices worksheet by adding a title and responding to comments. Step 4. Create a custom theme for the workbook's appearance. Step 5. Format sales numbers and add sparklines for visualization. Step 6. Customize the quarterly sales chart with a legend. Step 7. Create custom views for specific data displays. Step 8. Review the workbook's page layout view.
Step 9. Complete the client information worksheet with formulas and interactive elements. Step 10. Add buttons to run macros for clearing forms and printing client information. Step 11. Check the compatibility of the workbook and protect it with a password. If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. The first service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 730 965 5268 or log in to our website helpinhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.